Yeah.
Okay, high five. Do your thing. Got it. All right. I'm Brad White. This is my little girl, Kora. She's going to interview me, so this little spotlight's going to be a little bit different than anything we've done. So?
It's different than we did last year. It's different. We did like the camera to us. So this one is like turned on camera, so.
All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what the first question is? Okay.
When did you start welding, guys?
When did I start welding?
Yeah.
Let's see. I started welding when I was young. I think I was in first grade when I first started welding, learning how. I would go to my grandpa's classroom after school, and he started teaching me small things then, and then it just kind of grew up doing it. Your pawpaw welds too.
What's your favorite part of welding?
My favorite part of welding?
Yeah.
Oh, I think my favorite part of welding would actually be the fabricating part of it, like putting parts together that I've cut or shaped or bent or formed to make something and then setting myself up to weld. I feel like fabricating is probably my favorite part of welding.
So my dad likes welding. I don't know if he likes welding, but I like welding the most. So I'm gonna learn about when I get older. I'm gonna learn about welding, I think.
That's cool. I'm definitely going to teach you. It's a good thing to know how to do.
What's your favorite kind of welding, Dad?
TIG welding is my favorite kind of welding. Specifically stainless steel TIG welding.
Why?
Why? It's what I'm most comfortable with. It's what I do the most of and have done the most of, and it's just my comfort zone.
What's challenging the most, Dad?
What challenges me most? Probably things I haven't welded before, or things I don't weld that often. Like copper challenges me, aluminum challenges me, just different types of aluminum.
Yeah.
Anodized aluminum, that's pretty challenging. I'm not very good at that.
What's the most fun part of welding?
What's the most fun part of welding? It would be finishing and seeing what I've done, and it looks good and it looks nice, and I'm happy with it. That's the most fun part.
I was making this. What's your favorite thing to weld?
My favorite thing to weld? 16 gauge stainless steel. Hands down. It's my favorite.
Why?
Why? It's what I weld the most of. It's what I'm most comfortable with. And I like the way it welds, and so I feel like I do a pretty good job of it.
So tell me what you do.
What do? I
No,
build...
tell them and people you say.
Okay. I build air particulate filtration systems, mainly for big laundries and like giant hospitals and stadiums and arenas and stuff like that. Like you have the lint trap in your laundry, you know, when we do the dryer,
Yeah.
and we have that stuff that's in there. Well, I build giant ones for like big football players and stuff like that for the whole team.
So like,
Stadium, not the players, but well, I mean the players use it. You get it? Yeah, the stadiums.
what do you want to do? You want to grow up?
I think it's a little late for me to decide that. Kind of decided itself. But
Yeah.
I'm having a lot of fun being what I am right now. A dad, a husband, a welder, all that stuff. It's my favorite time right now.
And then like if you're watching my videos, don't subscribe. Comment down below our videos and bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.